Introducing the Gas Permeability Tester QT-GTR500 with single cell from Qualitest. This is the communication interface. Vacuum pump power supply. Power supply. This is a probe for the environment. This is air supply pressure regulator, intake pressure gauge. Vacuum pump. This is the power cord. This is the power switch. Press the power button. Instrument wiring. On the right side of the instrument, connect the corresponding air tube to the pneumatic interface, air intake interface, and vacuum pump interface. The gas input is 0.1 megapascal. Adjust the pneumatic air source to 0.3 megapascal. After connecting the wires, turn on the power and wait for 30 seconds. If the liquid level is low, add coolant. The water inlet is located above the black plug on the body. Film cutting process. Pull out the positioning pins. Lay the sample flat on the rubber mat and gently put on the sampler. Press and hold the sampler handle to rotate clockwise without stopping during the process. Adjusting the positioning pin to return to the initial position after sampling is complete. Sample release. Press the button to open the pneumatic chamber cover. The instrument is shipped with an aluminum film, and the inside is filter paper. Apply a circle of sealing grease evenly on the chamber. Next, place the cut sample on the chamber coated with sealing grease and smooth it out clockwise. Then close the chamber lid. In the software operation setting interface, select film for sample type, test for experiment type, and fill in the experiment information. After setting the experiment information, click Start Test. At the bottom of the software is the status display area, which shows the working status of the chamber. This is the stop function, abort the experiment. This is the switch function, switch the experiment to the next step. This is the curve setting. This is the report in data. You can view historical experiment reports. Privilege management. The administrator sets the privileges corresponding to each role. Process setting. Experiment process step information setting. Calibration. Reference film calibration. HID temperature. HID parameter settings.